Um, I have a roommate, and I have very, very little time between filming this and getting all my thoughts together on these things. And until the time he returns, fortunately, he's out of my apartment for now. So I'm going to try to discuss these and try to explain these in the best way that I can. Uh, if you know anything about my magic ghost number cubes or my magic hybrid number cubes, you'll see that well, this is a magic ghost number cube because the number 3 plus 36 is not 9, so you can tell that's a magic ghost number cube. But anyway, I found these. I did this study like several months ago. And I discovered these things that I call vector systems, or inner ghost number vector systems. And what I mean by that is like, this is a better, clear picture. 45 goes down to here to 45. So that's a scalar. It has two dots at the end of this line. That means they're both the same magnitude, 45 and 45. So I call that a scalar. But this right here is a vector, 45 up to 63. It has a magnitude from 45 to 63, from 27 to 81, and from 45 down here to 63 up here. And there's, as far as I know, I believe I've reduced them to 8 different types of vector systems. And this is a drawn out image of I call this a box vector system. It's where all the numbers are the same. I call this a parallel vector or horizontal sheet, where the numbers are the same and they're connected to each other. These inner ghost numbers, purple inner ghost numbers that I color purple. And this is a slanted triangular parallel sheets with a line going through it. I think a scalar 9 and 9 equal on both sides. And this is a vertical horizontal intersecting sheets where they intersect each other, 9 and 3 and 6 and is by itself. And I think I have these all figured out, but I'm not quite sure. But the point I'm trying to make is, well, see, these are my other studies of these vector systems. And I call it 3 vectors up, 1 vector down for this one. 3 vectors up, 1 vector down. I guess I'm just repeating these. 4 vectors up for this sheet, intersecting sheets, and 4 vectors back. These are some other studies I've done on these things. These are 2 scalars and 2 vectors. You'll see the 2 scalars with the dots at both ends of each green line, and the 2 vectors, the dot at one end and the arrow at the other. And 3 vectors up, 1 vector down. I don't know why I wrote that twice. So this is just all preliminary, and I just discovered these several months ago, but I didn't know. But I found out that they apply to my magic hybrid cubes. Here's some more studies I've done on these vector systems. And these magic hybrid cubes, throughout them all, they all have one certain type of vector system. This vector system is down to up magnitude from 33 to 42, from 36 to 39, from 36 to 39, and from 36 to 39. These are all vectors with magnitude. And it has this same type of system shape, but they can all be different numbers. This is a random one identity. This is I've had these filled out. I showed these on the last ones. But if you can see this, you can imagine the vector system crossing through these through the cube. And with the purple inner ghost numbers. And like I said again, this takes a little bit more effort to understand this better and make sense of it all. But these are just a sample of all the different filled out magic hybrid number cubes. And they only have that one single type of vector system out of the 4 basic types that I discovered. And this is going to just start getting long-winded and unnecessary. So I'll just flip through here until this video stops itself. If you can imagine all these vectors, all these being vector systems, and some of them being scalars. I didn't put the lines in any of these because I didn't want to disturb them any further than I had to. But I think I'm just about finished, and you can pause this to look at each one and determine their own vector system that are all identical, but the numbering are different. And I guess, well, I did a lot of work on this yesterday and the day before. So I thought it's worth going through here and showing you all that I've done. And you can pause this whenever you feel like it. These are the magic hybrid number cubes. Well, thanks a lot.